want to show her that there. Здравствуйте. Because you don't know another word. This is goat. 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 Who's that? Goat. What? Come, baby. I carry you. Look at this. They're still staying in their place. No. Worthy. Yeah. This is where is it? Hey. We go there. It's so nice. I'll show you. I had a video there. Nice way to travel. Look, baby, look, we go to the deer. Leave it down there. Who's gonna take it? Leave it here. Would you come back? Leave it here. Yeah, we don't need it. Leave it like this, yeah. No, no, no. Yeah. It has to be here. Elk. Maybe yes. It's like they are. Wow. Is that a pig? Сърдичката. Къде е сърдичката и ленчето? Е там. Там е ленчето, виж? Има още. Козичка. Там има е ленче, сърдичка. Там, да, козичката. Бе! Бе! А, друга бе! Друга. And on top is the ruins. The ruins are there. Къде е клечката? I don't want клечка. Yes. Come make a photo of her. Here. Maybe you can catch the black. Yes. Wow. Hey, hey. Oopsie. Whoa, Forresty. Where's mommy? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yes, you are. Okay. Okay, okay. King of the castle, king of the castle. They have a fence. Careful, careful, don't go with the baby. Don't slip there. Ah, you can eat here? This is the place. Look, I was imagining it actually to eat inside the castle. Ah. This is the what I was telling you, that was this the view. Yes. Yeah. Medieval times. Oh, this is honey. There's a honey and bees. Bees, yeah, they make honey. Hey, a monkey mouth. Muita malca esse barco. Oh, that's the room. I had one bow. It was big. This room. This is, huh? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are many floors. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is underneath, and then there is this. Careful. Yeah, go there. That's your room. Your prison room. This is your room clearly. It's your size window. These windows are your size. Look. Look at this. It's not for me. This is for you. Ah, this is fell. Yeah. It's maybe fall. It was a bit down. This is dirt.
Sure, that's from here. That's from here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nana Jones. It's free for us to eat there. Make one more.